Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see drafts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And if you want to see your drafts, like you have made your story draft or post draft, and we want to see that, for that, suppose we made a story draft, so head over to the story section and then just go to the camera section and then just head over to the draft section. Once you're there, head over to the picture option on the lower right corner and then just go to the draft section right here. And here you can see I have already saved a draft right here. And all you need to do is just use it and post it or just save it for some other time. And yeah, this is how you can see the drafts on Instagram, whether it is a story or any other thing. Whether it is a story or any other thing. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.